Today on the Minecraft Military Force, we're going to be building the IDF Israel Defense Forces Merkava Mk.4M Windbreaker. Now this is an Israeli main battle tank. It's manufactured by Mantak, and in Hebrew the Merkava is known as the Chariot. This is equipped with the Trophy APS active protection system, so these little bumps here and in the back, and they basically intercept RPGs and anti-tank missiles. A pretty advanced technology, and they have seen action against Hamas in Operation Protective Edge in 2014, and quite recently right now in the ongoing Gaza-Israel conflict, which just started 2 days ago, and on the first day 14 of these were captured or destroyed by Palestinian forces, Hamas, and the PLO. Around 1,000 Palestinians infiltrated and attacked Israel using motorcycles, pickup trucks, drones, rockets, bulldozers, speedboats, and even paragliders, which is quite interesting. It almost seems like it's from a video game, but that's just how real life combat is right now. And actually many people were killed, not just soldiers but civilians. And in response, Israel launched Operation Iron Swords, and there's many videos of these Merkava tanks being transported on lowboy trailer trucks. And my heart goes out to the regular people, the civilians of Palestine and Israel. You know, both sides are going to be suffering because of this conflict. And now let's actually take a look at this build. So let's go over here. It's armed with a 120mm smoothbore gun, and there also is a gun-mounted 50 cal machine gun here, and a commander's light machine gun, and if you want you can also add in a gunner's machine gun here. Got smoke grenade launchers on the sides, and in the front there's actually these things that stick out. The Merkava's, I guess, is one of their iconic characteristics, and you can just attach a chain in the middle, or you can attach a mine roller in the front of it. I think that's the purpose of it. They also have this white V marking here on the side. Got some antennas in the back. And an interesting fact about the Merkavas is that their engine is located in the front to add in some frontal protection armor. They found it more of a priority having armor in the front to protect the crew, I guess, from like urban combat. So there is an entrance in the back of the tank. It's almost like an armored personnel carrier. You can enter right there. So that is pretty unique. And there is some armor here on the sides. Now I actually have it in 3 colors because this tank is quite hard to make color wise in Minecraft, because the original color, I think this would be the closest in Minecraft, would be this acacia wood for cyanide gray. But in the desert often there's a lot of sand going along, so the tanks can often change color, or sometimes there's even like little variations because of the lighting. So here is what it would look like if you made it out of oak. And here is what it would look like if the top part was covered in sand. And I actually just saw a video of this, so I decided to replicate it, just adding in sand for the top of the turret. Here's what it looks like. While the bottom part, it's still kind of gray, so you see that gray here in the front. Top is sand. So it should be based on, I guess, personal preference, which you guys prefer, because we all have different opinions. But I think the most accurate tank, if you're building not weathered, is going to be this gray version here. That's going to be the default. But many people on YouTube, they often build it like sand or tank colored. So if you like that, I guess you can go for that. But yeah, I'm going to be building the gray version. So for the dimensions, it's going to be 8 blocks tall, 7 blocks wide, and 14 blocks long. Yeah, first off, we'll grab some materials. We'll take out cobbled deep slate slab. You'll need stripped spruce log, a polished deep slate slab, and spruce button, and then dark oak trapdoor. So first off, you're going to build this chassis part, and this middle section is going to be polished deep slate slab. That's going to be 3 blocks wide and 9 blocks long. Then you'll build up these wheels on the side, just logs with buttons like that, and trapdoor on the back. The other side is symmetrical. All right, next step, you're going to build an acacia wood on the top section here. Wrap it around, add in the V with the smooth quartz stairs, and also add in these dark oak signs in the front, this little mechanism here, and upside down stairs here. And then the back you're going to build just like this, glass panes on the side. It's going to be gray stained glass pane. Some sign here with stairs inside there. Sign in the back. And I did use a debug stick, so it's more accurate. So if you're just building it regularly, I just probably just look like that, you know. But the square one is probably more accurate. And here's what it looks like on this side. Alright, next step, we're building on top layer, so buttons here. And then they have like these antennas on the side. This is going to be black stained glass panes. Also add in a vent here. This is going to be deep slate tile slab. Vent over here on this side. The other side does not have it. Add in some stairs. And fence gates facing the back. More antenna in the back. Daylight detectors. Alright, next step, we're building the gun. So the gun's pretty thin. Ideally this part would be black on the end, but we don't really have that option. I've seen some people use wither skeleton skulls. And for this section, it actually works out quite fine. Because even when you place it, like, I guess in Minecraft, it just makes it so it's like cornered like that. Because the other one's cornered. And then added this in the back, sign, fences. And then added in a little indent here. Now in real life, this thing is like a little bump that goes down here. I guess I just added like that. I don't know, it might be weird, it might change in the future. For now, I'll leave it like that. Anyways, adding a machine gun, 50 cal in the front. Smoke grenade launchers, if you can possibly do this, you might not be able to. In default though. And some antennas, there's 3 iron bars on top of the end rods. Just like this. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make the Merkava Mark.4M in Minecraft. And if you want to make the other colors, if you want to add in some camouflage, just change the blocks until they are like either preference. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you hadn't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.